Have you ever ridden a bicycle and wondered how your pedaling makes the big wheel at the back turn? The secret lies in a small but powerful part called a gear. This is our bicycle. It has many moving parts, but today we're looking at one tiny hero near the pedal. A gear is a round wheel with teeth. These teeth catch onto the chain. When the gear turns, the chain moves along with it. The gear you push with your foot is called the front chainring. It turns every time you pedal. When the front gear spins, the chain moves like a conveyor belt. It carries this motion backward to another gear. This small gear at the back is called the rear sprocket. Even though it looks tiny, it controls how easy or hard your ride feels. The chain turns the rear sprocket. The sprocket is connected directly to the wheel's hub. When the sprocket spins, the wheel spins too. Gears help us use our strength in a smart way. Small gears make it easier to climb up a hill. Larger gears help us go fast on flat roads. A gear gives you something called mechanical advantage. This means you can push less but still move the wheel. When you pedal, you create torque or twisting force. The gear increases this torque and passes it to the wheel. Gears work in pairs. The number of teeth on each gear forms a ratio. A bigger front gear with a smaller back gear gives more speed. The small size helps the wheel spin faster. One full turn of the large front gear can make the small rear gear spin many times. Once the wheel starts turning, it builds momentum. Momentum helps keep the cycle moving even when you pause pedaling for a moment. Most bicycles also have a freewheel. This allows the rear gear to spin without turning the pedals backward. A small arm called a derailleur keeps the chain tight. Without good tension, gears would slip. Many bikes have several rear gears. These allow riders to switch between easy and fast modes by moving the chain from one sprocket to another. On steep hills, the chain sits on a big rear gear for more power. On flat roads, it moves to a small rear gear for speed. The crank arms connected to the pedals make your push stronger. The longer the arm, the more power you create with each pedal stroke. So here's what happens. You pedal. The front gear turns. The chain moves. The little rear gear spins. The wheel rotates, and the bicycle rolls ahead. The little rear gear may look small, but it makes your whole ride possible. Next time you hop on a bike, remember the tiny hero that keeps those wheels turning. Thanks for watching.